Greetings, fellow digital voyagers. As we set forth on today's enlightening journey, let us prepare to traverse through the expansive history and promise of the World Wide Web. Have you ever pondered over the metamorphosis of our beloved internet? By the time we conclude today's episode, not only will you be well versed with the evolution of Web 1, 2, and 3, but you will also be equipped with deep insights into the treasures and challenges that Web 3 brings. Why embark on such a journey, you ask? As the internet morphs, its potential and implications for society, businesses, and each one of us undergo a transformation. Stay with us, and by the end you will possess a crystal clear understanding of the World Wide Web's past, present, and future. Ready for this deep dive? Let's set sail! Our tale begins in the early 90s. Computers hummed softly, modems connected amidst high-pitched tones, and a new realm was emerging, the Web 1. In this digital dawn, the internet resembled vast digital libraries, read-only, full of static pages that stood like solitary islands. Interaction was a dream yet to be realized. These were not the days of reactions, comments, or shares. Instead, they were times of simple consumption. But every narrative has its heroes. The champions of Web 1 were the pioneering search engines, Alta Vista, Yahoo, and their kin. They served as guides in this new frontier, helping users navigate this burgeoning universe. This was a period of simplicity, of mere text and rudimentary graphics, the era of HTML without the embellishments of CSS or dynamic JavaScript. The new millennium ushered in winds of change. From the embers of the static internet rose Web 2, the interactive era. No longer were users silent consumers, they became contributors. Websites transformed into platforms encouraging participation. Giants like Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter emerged, signaling the dawn of the social web. These platforms democratized content creation, bestowing upon users the power to voice opinions, narrate stories, and build communities. But as the age-old adage warns, every rose has its thorn. With the allure of Web 2 came shadows, the ever-looming concerns over data privacy. The commodification of user data became the underlying cost of free platforms, leading to targeted ads and subtle manipulations. Yet, this era also birthed marvels. Wikipedia's collaborative knowledge, bloggers' rise, and the inception of Ajax transformed the digital landscape. As the echoes of Web 2 began to fade, a new symphony began, that of Web 3. This isn't merely an internet that holds information, it's an intelligent entity that comprehends. Blockchain, decentralization, and semantic understanding form its backbone. Here, the internet doesn't belong to corporations. It's a realm where users reclaim their digital rights. Powered by AI and machine learning, it promises to be an internet that doesn't just listen, but understands. Decentralization, a realm where users aren't subjects, but rulers, control your data, voice, and digital rights. Enhanced security, no longer are your data and privacy at the mercy of centralized vulnerabilities. Digital identity. Navigate the web with a unified encrypted identity shielding personal information. Data sovereignty. The power to choose, control, and command your digital footprint. Transparency. No hidden strings. Know, understand, and decide how your data is utilized. Complexity. Sophisticated systems introduce intricate challenges, a rich tapestry of technologies that might seem daunting to the uninitiated. Potential misuse. With enhanced capabilities come amplified risks. Decentralization might be a double-edged sword. Infrastructure evolution. The path to Web 3 is paved with architectural transformations, not all of which will be smooth. Initial hurdles. Pioneering phases of technology are often marked by uncharted challenges. Knowledge divide. As the web becomes advanced, the gap between tech-savvy and the layman might widen. Every epoch of the internet is a mirror, reflecting our societal desires, technological ambitions, and collective ethos. From the foundational Web 1 to vibrant Web 2, culminating in the promising horizons of Web 3, we have come a long way. Understanding this evolution isn't merely academic, it's essential. It's about preparing for tomorrow, today. Our odyssey through the epochs of the web concludes here, but remember, every ending is a new beginning. If this voyage has illuminated new perspectives for you, show your appreciation with a like and subscribe for more enlightening adventures in the digital cosmos. The universe of technology is infinite, with many more tales to tell and secrets to unveil. Until our paths cross again in the digital crossroads, continue exploring, questioning, and marveling at the wonders of technology. Farewell and Godspeed on your digital quest.